Wow, what you guys got?
Orbeez. Yeah.
Let me see that. Ooh, wow. How does it feel?
Red. It feels like worms a little bit. It feels like gold. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, guys.
What?
You're spinning it, guys. Ah! Orbeez mess. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh.
Okay, that's enough of that. Wait, that's bit my ear. That's angry ear.
Wow. That feels so funny, innit?
You'll get the blue one, or then you go get the blue one.
Shall I on it for you?
Yeah.
Let me see you do it, Uz. Uzzy, let me see you suck up the head Orbeez.
I'm sucking up the Orbeez in this hoover. Some new Orbeez here.
Be careful you don't suck up your sister.
I can't like my own here. Ah.
Uzzy, you need to bring Henry into the room. Bring him inside. What is that? Let's see. How does it work? Show me. Take some out. Show me. Put it in your hand. What did it do?
You need toys to play with that. We'll let the Hoover suck that one off. Henry Hoover.
Henry, do you want to suck up this lava sand?
No, all of it. I already put some in there. Oh, don't suck up.
Ah, Henry's gonna get your lava sand. Get it off me. Get it off me.
I will.
Ah. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna shake myself down. Oh, you're almost done. You're almost done.